Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing these X15 earphones AirDots TWS 5.3. I just received these, so I'm going to do the unboxing and setting up on a phone. Before we continue, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. X15 earphones TWS 5.3 true wireless universal fit, 18-hour battery life, 3 hours plus 15 hours. Looking at the side here, nothing really to point out, and here we've got a sticker on top of some information here. I'm not going to go through that now, but this is what the box looks like, and let's go on with the unboxing. So opening up the box, we've got here the earphones, and just put the box out of the way. We've got a charging cable, so this is a USB-C charging cable. We've got the earphones over here, so I'm just gonna remove these from the box. They look pretty good. I like it. And we've got the charging case here as well. Looks pretty nice. So opening the case, it lights up here, as you can see, and it's got the battery percentage here on the side. So I'm just going to remove these out of the way here, and let's have a quick look to start off here at the docking station or charging box. So pretty nice, neat design. I like it. It's got these LED lights here on the side, and we've got the USB-C charging port here at the back. And opening, as soon as you open the charging pod, you've got the connectors here for both earphones, the battery percentage, and you also have a battery indicator here, I think. So let's put on the earphones on the charging pod. Actually, before we actually put the earphones on the charging pod, so let's have a quick look here into the earphones. You've got these nice, beautiful long earphones here, and these appear to fit very nicely into your ear. I'll try them on in a minute. You've got the connectors here on the side, and you've got this logo here as well. There is a small microphone there that I can see, and yeah, it actually lights up here, as you can see, blue and red. So this is a pairing mode. I'm just gonna put these in the charging pod. Look, okay, actually that's the left one, and you've got the right one there. As soon as you pop the earphones in, they start charging straight away. You can see the indicators here that it's charging, and once it's fully charged, they'll just reach out to the top and stay there. So you can carry this around in your pocket or in your bag. It's very nice. It looks pretty cool. It's very light as well, and it has a built-in battery. That's the cool thing about it. So you can just walk around. So if you're listening to your music or your podcast or to your audiobook and you run out of battery, all you need to do is put the earphones into the charging dock, and there you go, ready to go. To charge the dock's very simple. Use the included charging cable, connect it, and I'm going to use here a power bank as an example. If I just connect to the power bank, so this will start charging the case here. So you see here, so 91% blinking. This means that it's charging. Once it gets to 100, it will stop blinking. As I remove or disconnect the cable, you'll see that it's no longer blinking, so it's using the battery on the charging dock. Cool, nice and beautiful. Let's have a look now at how you pair these with a phone. So I've removed the earphones from the charging dock, so it starts blinking red and blue. And to pair it, very simple. Open settings here on my iPhone, navigate over to Bluetooth, so this will search for all the available Bluetooth devices. X15, select X15 on your mobile phone. This can be Android or an iPhone, and it's now connected. So I can go over here to YouTube and play something. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's... So if I open something here to play... Oh! Okay, it's playing now. I can hear the sound. Very good quality, I must say. I'm actually very impressed by these, and they are very comfortable in my ear. Yeah, very, very comfortable. Wow, the quality is excellent on this. I'm very, very surprised. And they are very comfortable. Well, I might just get one of these for myself. But yeah, the sound is actually pretty amazing on this. I'm very, very surprised that it's got this good sound. Yeah, I mean, I think they are worth it. I'm just gonna go around for about a week with these. Do have a few of these on sale right now, and I'm just gonna test it out because they do fit pretty nice in my ear, and it's very comfortable. So I wonder if I go running with these, if they will fall out, because they don't actually come with a rubber protection. So they might actually fall out, but I'll see, you know, if I'm walking, how do they feel? Do they fall out or not? And the quality as well. But from what I've just heard, the quality is actually very, very good in these. Yeah, why not? So I'm just gonna pop these back into the charging pod here. So it's charging. And this is it for this unboxing video. Please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.